Hey guys, it's JD from Eastwood, and in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Eastwood door skin installation tool. If you're looking to make an easy job of crimping the edges of your door skin around your door frame for a budget-friendly price, then this is the tool for you. So first things first, let's talk about the build quality of this tool. This is made out of a high-quality tool steel, and it has a nice zinc coating which helps keep this tool protected from the elements. The handles have a nice Eastwood blue padded grip, easy on the hands, and it makes this tool nice and comfortable to use, which is important if you have a lot of work to do with these. Also, you can easily get all the leverage you need to really crimp down on those folds of your door skin. Also included in the box, you get a 1 1/4 inch nylon pad for the tighter spots, as well as a 2-inch nylon pad, which makes quick work of the long straights. The nylon is easy on the metal as well, won't mar or leave any scratches on your door skin. Eastwood even backs this product with a 1-year warranty. The operation of this tool is really simple. We used this tool to install door skins for our 67 Camaro project not too long ago, and it turned out great. We got our door skin started around our door frame with a hammer and dolly, then all we did was follow up with the Eastwood door skin installation tool to get a perfect, tight, strong crimp around our door frame. We finished with some spot welds, and our door was looking as good as the day it rolled out of the factory in 1967. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, head over to our channel. We post tons of great how-to content that you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have the door skin installation tool linked below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm JD. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.